In automotive industry, incentives plays a pivotal role in driving sales, improving market penetration, and maintaining competitiveness. Building an optimized incentive plan is highly collaborative process that often requires multiple financial controllers, sales leaders, and incentive managers to work together for very long hours to come up with a very well designed incentive strategy. A very well designed or optimal incentive strategy must balance customer attractiveness with financial discipline, meaning it should improve the sales penetration and at the same time minimizing the subvention costs. Our automobile or auto finance subvention optimization platform is completely built on Databricks native solution designed to modernize and streamline automobile incentive planning. The platform leverages Databricks Unity Catalog and Databricks Unified AI platform for scalable analytics, intelligence, and also native AI by ML algorithm to support prediction as well as summarizing the whole plan. Built on top of this, we there's an enterprise application layer that follows that allows financial controllers, sales managers, and incentives teams to properly collaborate and also compare simulations and outcomes, thereby defining or predicting a proper optimal incentive planning or no incentive strategy or rebate strategy. This will help automobile industry to run much faster in their incentive cycles, enable real-time incentives at the same time, improving the sales penetration and also market competitiveness. So our product again is completely web-based product built on top of Databricks. It has two dimensions, or I would say two flavors. One is dealer level optimization, where dealer can use this to specifically target a customer, or a brand level optimization, where it is for an overall incentive strategy for the following month or sales planned month. So incentive planners can select what is a vehicle they want to create a strategy, and what is a model year, trim. All these attributes are completely customizable, so we can create a segments, we can create body styles or fuel types. It can be like completely very agile, and users can we can extend, or we can fit it in according to the needs. Once we select which model or which strategy, which model we want to create the strategy, vehicle prices, msrps, whether the brand is giving any residual value push, additional push to support the sale, all those things are automatically pulled in from your planning engine. And we can it also live gets the data, dealer level data, like how many units are on hand in the dealer lot, or how many units are inventories in the port, everything, all those metrics or all this data will be completely streamed into via Databricks. And at a macro level, like market conditions, like CPI, federal rates, ever changing, like all the inflation percentage, everything will be pulled in. All this data is harmonized in Databricks, and it also gets the competitor data. Based on that, we can change our maximum values. What is the maximum cash incentives we can give, how much is the maximum dealer level contribution we are forcing it, are we giving any loyalty for any leases, and what terms and what tiers we want to plan. Once all these metrics or no, inputs are given by the user, it runs the entire simulations. Again, it leverages the Databricks and creates a proper structure, like a strategy of what should be our plan going into the market. Like as you see, it creates multiple plans, like what is the current plan, what is the most conservative, and what is the most recommended plan based upon our input in the market conditions, what is the most balanced plan, and what is the most aggressive plan. As you can see here, the most aggressive, meaning like the sale will definitely happen, we are giving $6,000 of cash incentives, whereas recommended plan is reduce the APR, and at the same time no need to give any cash incentives for this deal. Depending on market conditions, the model is predicting that the sale will happen at this most recommended way. And it gives all the advanced analysis, how the model ran, like what it does, all those details, like how many simulations it ran, all these advanced AI by ML capabilities. It goes through every single combination, permutations, and then come back with real time incentive strategy. It can does both ways, meaning Either we can give the sales data, so the model will predict what should be our incentives, how much should be the subvention, or we can give our subvention plan and the model will predict based on this subvention historically how many sales have happened, and depending upon the market conditions how much sales will be going to happen for this particular incentive program.